Okay, coming up next is the Octane 222. This is the Jayco's toy hauler bumper pull, okay? Now this trailer has a weight of 6260. So you could do this with a half-ton truck depending on what the cargo is that you're going to carry. Razor, dirt bikes, big old Harley, Indian motorcycle. It's kind of convenient because now this one will come with the smaller bottles too that you can run down to 7-Eleven and change out or in your own backyard. You've got your power tongue jack up there. You've got a place up there that you could put 2 batteries if you wanted to. And the other side, it has a generator place. Now, the generators they put in the Octanes are the 4,000 BTUs, okay? They do that for size and weight. It will run, if you get an Octane with 2 ACs, it will run one at a time. It won't run both of them, just so you know, okay? You've got your storage up here, which is nice and tall. You can put fishing poles, chairs. You can find a table in there. I mean, I could find all kinds of stuff in there. And Jayco, too, does not have 10,000 keys that go with you. You get 2 sets of keys, each 2 keys. One opens here, and one opens your door over here, okay? All fiberglass. Get your steps peeled out. You've got your mag wheels on here. You got a power plug on this side if you want to plug in a heater. You've got a big power awning up here with lights, okay? These are the vents for inside, so if you're hauling a bike or ATV, you can open these up and it pulls the fumes out. Okay, again, I'm doing this one-handed now. So boom. This one has the patio that this folds up. It makes a square out here. You can put the little dog out here. You can put some chairs out here if you're backed up to a lake. Or you can take these up, pull the cables down, and you can pull your bike in, okay? Now, there's 2 beds in here. You got your bed on the top, and you've got your cushions down here. Those will come down and make the loungers and the chairs, okay? Or you can do them long ways. So you could put 2 adults on the top, 2 adults on the bottom, and then you've got your bedroom in there too. So we'll run inside right quick, show you a few things. Get us some lights turned on. There we go. Now, a toy hauler usually has big guys that come into them, okay? Or a lot of guys. So here we go again. We've got the bigger shower in here that's supported. We've got the porcelain commode in here that still has room to sit down at. You got your sink and medicine cabinet right through there. Over here, we've got the master bed, and I'll scoot this out of the way so Brian can get in there and show you. And you can also show you the solar system in here. That's a 190-watt solar panel up top. This would be a great coach to take up to like Eagle's Nest, New Mexico, Cimarron Canyon. You got your dual refrigerator, stainless steel microwave, high output fusion or Furrion stove, cooktop, and you got 2 stools right here. This table right up here lifts up so that way you can have a place to sit and have dinner. And you'll notice the tie downs in here. These tie downs are very secure to the frame of the trailer. So when you tie your vehicles in here, you can tie them with confidence. Again, lights everywhere. Let's see. Big cabinets up here. This is a great trailer. I really like this one. You can also Bluetooth your radio inside as well as outside. You can put a TV up here. You can add a DVD player if you want to, or you can stream, of course. The height is pretty good on these too. I've seen a couple guys bring in the tall razors, and it was able to fit up in through here. And again, you've got lights back here, and you've got your Furrion backup camera if you so want that. Ladders on the side, and your roof will hold 4,500 pounds. Crank down stabilizers. Just an all-around super cool trailer. We'll put this back up. Guys, thank you all so much. I'm Matt Edwards. My name, my phone number is right below here. Call me anytime. I've got my cell phone number over there. We do business the right way up there at Jayco. Thank you all again, and God bless.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on content you'd like to see, we'd love to hear about that. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from VOD RV.